Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 3rd, and this is my analysis of the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the pound dollar monthly, I'm still very bullish on these higher time frames. I still think this is going to keep on trending up, eventually take out these highs, probably eventually end up looking something like this. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we've definitely been going down for several weeks now, but I still think that is part of a correction. I still think this first push up is a 1. I still think this middle section is a running flat. Higher high wave B, higher high wave C definitely fits the characteristics of a running flat. If that is the case, that means that this would be a 1 of 3. This was probably a wave 2 of 3, and eventually it's going to keep on going up for that wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame, definitely still going down, definitely still primarily looking for shorts. I still think this 5 ways up is a wave 1. I still think this is a leading diagonal wave A. It's definitely 5 ways down, very overlapping. I think this is 1, 2, 3 waves up, higher high wave B. And I think we are in a wave C, which this wave C doesn't have to take out the low of wave A or the low of wave 4. I mean, it can definitely make a higher low. I still don't see any reason to think this is over though. I still would be looking for shorts. I still expect it to bounce off one of these two fibs, maybe look like this, or maybe look like this, ending at wave C of wave 2, and eventually continuing the uptrend for that big wave 3. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I mean, we've definitely been going up, but to me, this move up is very likely to be a correction to this move down. I think it's likely to make a lower high, and just keep on going down. I still think that we're in a wave C on the higher time frames, and I'm definitely still primarily looking for shorts on these shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we had almost a perfect 5 wave downtrend right here. Picture perfect trend. Nice break of structure to the upside. I think that this move up is very likely to be a correction to this move down. Now we are at a Fibonacci level. It kind of looked like it was already ending a correction this morning, but it did end up pushing up again. Maybe it will keep on pushing up to one of these higher fib levels. Even if it does, I'm definitely still going to be looking for shorts. If you are a scalper, I mean, you could definitely be looking for longs until we get a clear break to the downside. But if you are more of a mid time frame trader like myself, then you are patiently waiting for sorting opportunities for the continuation of this downtrend. At least until the higher time frames tell me otherwise, I am definitely doing nothing but looking for shorts on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thank you and happy trading.